Hey everyone, I am here today to do a quick color spotlight for you in the Estetica Color R1426H, and I am wearing this color in the wig Ocean. On the wig Ocean? I'm not sure how to say that. Let's just say I have Ocean in R1426H, and this video is more about the color than the style because I do have a review of Ocean already, so I'll link that in the description and you'll be able to go see all the details of Ocean. I just really want to show you guys this color. So R1426H. This is an Estetica blonde. It is an unrooted blonde. It is a beautiful, warm, neutral to warm blonde, I would say. And just gorgeous. Let me show you this color and Ocean on all sides. I absolutely love Ocean, which is really odd because I don't tend to like long wigs very much, and Ocean also has a fair amount of permatease, but I have Ocean in two other colors and absolutely love this style. Everything about this style is fabulous. So let's just take a look at R1426H up close. I will get outside for you guys, so stick around so you can see this color outside as well as with this inside lighting. It's a really pretty blonde. It's golden. It's got some subtle highlighting. You know, you've got your 14, which is a light, let's see, it's a dark blonde. 14 is a dark blonde. A 12 is a light brown. So it's right in the beginning of the blonde colors. And then a 26 is like a golden or a champagne blonde. So it's really definitely a blonde color, but it's not like super light. And again, there's no rooting. And look at this lace front. The lace front is phenomenal. Now, Ocean does not have a monofilament or a monopart. So all of this up here is permatease. And because this is an unrooted color, I think you can maybe see a tiny bit of visible permatease here. It's not terrible. But usually in wigs without monofilament, if they're not rooted, that is something that you sometimes have to contend with. But it's really not bad at all. And Ocean is just such a luxurious style. It's just got these beautiful beachy waves. Again, if you want to see the cap construction and all the details of Ocean, heck, I'll just show them to you. Why not? I'll be really quick because I don't want this to be a super long video. You can definitely go check out my review of Ocean, but that's what I mean by, you know, there's no monofilament, but look at how deep that lace front is. It's a couple of inches at least. That gives you all of this all the way back to about here in what could be parting space. So quite frankly, I don't think you really need monofilament when you have a lace front that's this deep. I really think it makes up for the fact that you don't have a monofilament. Ocean does have an open extended nape, open adjustable ear tabs, and then all of this up here is permatease. She does have a fair amount of permatease, and so she's got a lot of body and poof on the top, and then just these beautiful waves. Just gorgeous. I really do love Ocean, and the whole reason I purchased this one is so I could show the color. I found a really good deal on her, and I always want to bring different things to you guys, and so I thought, what the heck, I'll just get her. It was a great price. I tend to like rooted blondes, so I'm going to tell my brunette wig sisters, who I know I have a lot who watch my channel. With all this hair, sometimes takes just a bit to get situated once you put her on, because she has a good head of hair, definitely. So for my brunette sisters, I personally would need this to be a rooted color for me to feel really comfortable in it. So just kind of keep that in mind. But I do have a video out there with Tressalor Mia, and I root that one with Copic marker. Copic marker, however you say it, and I rooted it and I put low lights in it. It was a really similar color to this, velvet cream, really similar color to this, and I gotta tell you guys, it turned out fabulous. So if you do wind up purchasing a wig, let's say you find a great deal and you need it to be a little bit darker or some rooting, you can root them with furniture markers, Copic markers, wig sisters have told me they've used permanent markers. I would start on the underside just to make sure that the color that it takes is what you're hoping for. But I gotta say that it works really great. So watch my Mia video that has the rooting kind of tutorial, because it is wonderful. All right, guys, I'm gonna get outside and I'm gonna show you this color outside. I also have done, gosh, I've done a color spotlight. I've taken this color and I've compared it to some other colors. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. I do a huge variety of videos. I show blondes, I show brunettes, I show long wigs, short wigs. I'm trying to do more tutorials just to help with some of the struggles we go through. I also do color spotlights, and I'm trying to do more and more of those, and color comparisons. I have a number of mannequin heads now, and I can do a lot of different comparisons. So I'm just trying to bring a lot of variety, because this wig journey can be so hard without help. All right, guys, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna get outside so you can see this color outside. Hang tight. All right, everyone, here we are outside with R14 26H on Ocean. It's really bright out here, tons of sun, so I'm trying to get into some shade. Hopefully it's not too shady. These outside looks can be super tricky, and now it's super bright. It's really windy too, so trying to make sure you get a good look. It can be super tricky to get outside looks, because depending on how the shade falls and the light falls, all lighting can be real tricky, but hopefully this is helpful between this one and the inside look. All right, guys, thanks for watching.